Everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Bumble. We click on settings like this. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Bumble app and you will click here. In this window of app info, you click here on first stop, then we click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. And you will update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget